what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Aaliyah, and today I'm gonna be giving y'all a tour of my dorm room. So y'all, I attend the University of North Texas in Denton, and I stay in Rollins Hall. You're probably wondering, why are you giving us all this information? Well guys, I'm about to move out, so you won't find me here. Okay, so we're gonna actually start out here. This is the hallway. Rollins does like a wraparound, so if you go all the way down here and make a left, there are the elevators, and then if you go this way and make a left, there's a lot more doors. So I'm glad we ended up right here. And there's also like, I hope I left the door unlocked. There's also like a lounge like right next door, so this is basically like our living room. And then I keep my scooter over here. Nobody has ever messed with it, so yippee. To actually get into like my room or whatever, I do have a roommate. I won't be showing her side, you know, just for like, you know, that's like a respect type thing. So I won't be showing her side. I'll be showing y'all my side, and let's get straight into it. Okay y'all, so we're gonna start at the door. We got a door right here, and then the peephole is, you know, it's at a reasonable height. Up here we have an announcement system. Sometimes they make like random announcements. All right, then we have butterflies up here, very cute. And we have our thermostat. We have suite mates over there. They don't have one, so we control both sides. We just keep it all the way down because we like to sleep cold. I have trash can down here. Then we're gonna come over here. So I have some art up here, and then I have this large full body mirror. Hey y'all. Coming over here, this is our bathroom. If 4 girls share one bathroom, right? That's all I'm gonna say. Anyway, so you have to knock because there's no thingy right there, so you have to knock every time you come in here. All right, following the bathroom, over here is our sink area. So this is my side. And then this has a light. So like if your roommate is sleeping and you're getting ready for class in the morning, all of the lights can still be off, and you can just turn this one off, so turn this one on so you don't disturb them too much. And then down here, we each have a side to this. This is my side. Down here, I just keep my supplies for washing and cleaning. Y'all see it. Oh, those are loud when you close it. Now that we're done over here, we're gonna move into the closet. Let's get into the closet because we have to share one closet. That's the only downfall to Rollins. So this is my side. Real little looking, right? But you see I have shoes up there. I keep like shoes in there, and then clothes, and yeah, purses over here, hats. I already said this, but I took half of my stuff home already, so imagine it being full. Okay, so now we're gonna come over here to my I don't even know what to call this area, but you see I have a pretty painting. Then I keep my tissue, this rock I made, super cute, right? This, nothing in there, just some decorative pieces. And then I keep like some water, Snapples, a cup, got my microwave. And then down here is where my clothes are, the ones that are folded up. So I have my shirts on top. Yeah, I'm not gonna open the last one, but you get the gist of it. And then over here, just this cute plate. And this is an ottoman. So I keep my air fryer under here. This is the section under my bed. My bed is so tall to the point where I can stand under it without hitting my head. Like literally, I'm 4'11", that's why, but still, it's that tall to the point where I can just walk. But this is like the other part to my kitchen. Freezer, empty. Fridge. And then over here, this is where I put my dirty clothes in the hamper. Because when it's time to go downstairs, baby, when it's time to go downstairs, you don't want to be tagging along with a big old bag that's hurting you. So if you can, I would suggest investing into one of these. They're on Amazon for like $25. All right, y'all, and then up here you can see like condiments and forks. Why do I have flour? I was making a stress ball. I have this, it spins. I have straws, sauces, bowls. This is my Bible. If we turn around, that brings us here. This is my favorite space in my room because it's where I can get ready, where I can read, where I can be on my iPad. Like, it's like my desk. Well, it is my desk. So I'm gonna show y'all the drawers. So this one, I just keep my random stuff. This one is like hair and makeup. This one, it's like my trash bags, random stuff again. And then down here, this is my snack drawer. And then check the pieces of decor. This is my humidifier because the air in here when I first got here was very like, it was making me sick. So this is a big plus if you can get that. It's a camera. I broke my hourglass, but I'm still keeping it. This is a stress ball. I usually keep my jewelry in here after I take it off. And then this is a succulent that I planted, but I just got back on campus and I think half of it is dead. Then I made this. Well, I didn't make it, but I put this in here, the pampas grass, and I found this at the store. And then I have my Echo Dot. Hey, say hey. That's embarrassing. But then I have my Apple Watch. I have this cute mirror situation that I got from Amazon, and it's very nice. It's very cute. Again, close this right here. I put this up at the beginning of school. You know, it's like a privacy thing. You can have your own space while sharing a space. So that's why I put that up. And she actually got one too, so that's fun. Over here, I have everything that's like runs out. So I have tongue scrapers, floss, Q-tips, pads, self-care, tissues. It's just anything you can think of that has something to do with your body, even medicine. Then I have these cleaning products that need to be on deck, not under there. I be needing to spray this all the time just to make sure it's clean and fresh in here. You want to get one of these if your bed is like high up, because who wants to be, you know, jumping down just to get your charger? So I typically leave this in here because I can charge my stuff when it's down here and when I'm in my bed. Last part. So this is the bed, and then that's my sign that I made myself. So yes, y'all, this is my light that I made with the pampas grass because that's the theme I was going with. That's my bed. I have a little shawl thingy hanging, and then I have my lights. All right, y'all, so that's my room. Thank you so much for watching. I put a lot of hard work into this room. I put a lot of time, and let me know what you think about my room. Let me know if you're interested in any other videos, college related, and just stay tuned for the next video I post. Bye, guys.